morning, guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Leeanne and we are still here at the resort. Guys, nag-batro-batro bro guys, pero actually nakailis na ko. Nakailis na ko, guys. Pa-char-char lang. So guys, naatay mangga. We have a mango here. And ta-da! It's a very big mango, guys. Look at this. It's as big as my face. Ako kayo, guys. Alright. So, taling kaon nun. This one was actually picked by Namu's dad yesterday. Okay, we were supposed to go to the farm over there, and pick this one. But since we weren't able to go there yesterday, so instead, his dad was the one picking it for us. Look at that. Oh no. Daot siya. It's rotten. Guys, it's rotten. But that's okay, we still have one. Hi.
Uncle, make a video.
Hello. Hello, it's Namo. I'm making video.
Hello everyone.
You cannot see their face.
See?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes. Namo has. What is that? Some new food. It's a potato chips. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, and it's your first time to eat that, mo? Namo? Wala na ko gi-answer, guys. He's just showing his food for us. They went to Big C. Kay ano, he wants to buy food. Ano na siya? Let's eat. Let's try it.
From my trees.
It's sweet.
Huh?
It's sweet. It's not sour. It's sweet. It's just like apple. It tastes like apple. I thought, guys, this one is sour, but it turns out that it's not. Good. Guys, wala na, guys. Naiwan. Ubus ko na. Dalhin ko to sa bahay. Ito, isi-share ko sa mga babae. Kapatid ko, pinsan ko. Thank you so much for watching this very short vlog. I hope to see you again on my next video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you like it. And please don't forget to pray for each other. Goodbye, guys. Mwah.